Welcome everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and you're watching Live Watchmaking. Beautiful Chronoswiss with a Valjoux movement. Loads going on inside the movement, so we'll have a look. And Valjoux movement, so we get this running perfectly again. And see what we will find. The amplitude is really low, even below 200, so there is something going on. And discussed it with the owner. It's been quite some time since there been some maintenance, so yeah, let's do it. It is faux guilloche, but that's no problem. A lot going on. Of course, a chronograph, and that means the timekeeping will still run, and then you can measure a period of time. If it's a stopwatch, the movement will stop completely, so you don't know what time it is. But with a chronograph, the movement is running, the timekeeping movement, and you can measure the time, engage and disengage the chronograph module in this. Well, here the Tora with that pusher, you can set a 24-hour hand, so it's a GMT complication, you can call it a complication. Then there is the normal second hand. Here is the chronograph second, the slender one. Of course, hours, minutes, the minute counter. Here you can see the date, the 31 positions, and here's usually the hour counter for the chronograph. So a lot of going on. It is Chronoswiss, so we know this bezel lunette is a rotating one, and I don't do any work up front, but I loosened this because it's a screw-on lunette instead of the usual click. First things first, I'm going to remove the rotor from the back, and I think we can restore this watch into perfection, but quite some time since it has seen some maintenance, so I think we'll find a thing or two in the movement itself. I think we already can say it is going to be an interesting stream because this debris comes from somewhere. First, just visual inspection. Rotor. This is going to be an interesting stream. I think we'll find a thing or two inside the movement. Well, balance spring looks normal. Here is a difference. Ah, nice. There is the first 7 from 77, 50, 51, 53, but this is the location of the pusher, and that is unusual. So there is an adjustment on the movement itself for this GMT complication. Nice one. That would be lovely if there's a Chronoswiss own adjustment. I push here on the pivot point, and if you have a look over there, you can see if it's moving like that. You see, there's quite a bit of play, but that's solvable. No problem. No problem with that. Filings and dirt and stuff. Here you can see the tip of the sweep second that's the chronograph hand. So if you work on these movements, please make sure you don't switch around the screw, because the screw that holds this rotor always got an indentation. I'll show you. There, that's a screw I just removed, and there you can see a dent, and that is for that small pivot, that one. If you use a normal screw there, it will push down and damage the pivot of the chronograph. I'm going to remove the winding stem by pushing that one, and there you can see the small plates there, and that is holding the movement in the case, and you can see it is preventing the movement from going from the front. So first I'm going to remove the winding stem, and then that one, and that one, and then the whole movement comes out of the front of the watch case. And for that I just use a broken oiler. A watchmaker never throws anything away. Some old lubrication, but not excessive. Here no rust, no corrosion, looking good. You're watching this via our YouTube channel Chronoglide, and I really do hope you enjoy it. And we are crawling to the 20,000 followers. That is an insane number. Even 1,000 I cannot visualize. I think I told it earlier. I started 6 years ago on Twitch with live watchmaking, and the first month only we had 12 viewers every stream, and I thought it was only 12. I wanted huge success immediately, but then I thought, well, if there are 12 persons here in the workshop standing around me, it is really crowded. It's a lot of people. You probably sent some people away. So there were 12 people watching, so I was visualizing there are 12 people standing around me looking at the watch I'm working on now. 6 years ago. But now with our YouTube channel Chronoglide, we are approaching 20,000 followers, and that is insane. And if we just about predict, in early September we will reach 20,000. And I was talking to Twitch Raid. I was talking to the team here, and we all agreed we have to do something special. It's so much part of our workshop, and we just discussed it this afternoon, so you are absolutely the first to hear. And it will be put on our socials, but again, you are the first now to hear. September 5th. We are just about to reach the 20k. So we want to do a streaming party here in the workshop. So everybody, all viewers, everybody is welcome. Our team will be here. We'll be showing, well, maybe you can see over there we had 10 workbenches with all microscopes. So we make sure we've got beautiful movements to show you here and to show you around the workshop. So we're going to have a stream party the 5th of September. Everybody who wants to be here is welcome. And all of you who cannot be here because of the distance or anything else, you can see the faces of the regular viewers, and we think that is nice, so we're going to make a party out of that. So it will be on the socials, but if you are able to join us, September 5th here in Groot Schermer, we'll make it a night you will remember.